Look, me, I'm really moved by this pla. Like symbol, you play, demonstrate him long I blow me pla. Me no look him this la one pla, where two pla warring tribe, coffee can pull him to ply come long sikan look him new pla road. Long life, long all people, and in it long project, long coffee where all married is sent up him. I think this is like making big plan, long all married. Thank you, Cecilia. It's had long work, long World Bank now all objectives, long supporting all communities. Big plan focus, long supporting gender, long all married. So you may must respect him all Mary. You may must talk thank you also all Mary. So look out him you me. Now this project, I mean stop long hand blow all. Thank you true. Number 2 long World Bank 2 is look long. Time you may generate him sales long coffee inside long country. You may look long create him jobs. Come up him work. So all young man Mary, he can get work. Now me pla by look na hire him long Cecilia. Amas man you can employ him so that all get a man he got money. Once you me promote him job creation through long MSMEs, Highlands long all women association long Kualga, you may share him benefit. Long with him something you plan him inside the ground. So I thank you through. I think lastly, responsibility come back to you me. You play so in one play big play symbol, long I blow me play where you know such a project as coffee, it can bring him to play conflicting tribe. Papua New Guinea under the World Bank is regarded as a fragile conflict country, and if such a project and we can pull him. Now making peace na melong all man so that you may look long future blong all beginning, future block country. Now develop him coffee industry so that you can generate him more money blong country, blow me long help him you me. Thank you through.
The sing and all the cheering, but now that I've heard the story of how women have brought peace to this place, I really want to congratulate you because it's an amazing story. So I think it's a story that shows that when women, that shows the power of women, let's say it. And that when women are left to do, to move ahead and to bloom, this is what it brings. It brings peace, but it also brings prosperity and creativity and innovation. And I would like to congratulate the women, but also the men who recognize that the women could do something. And so now, I think that Allan said it all. I don't have a lot to add, except that now this project is in your hands. You have the shed, you're going to have the wet mill. It's going to be upon you to grow and to prosper using what the project has brought here. And so we trust that if we have the chance to come back in a few years, this place will be transformed and the families will be happy and the children will be studying.
Thank you.
And it's going to be the story of your village. Thank you very much.
Today, as we approach the 50 years long independence anniversary, thank you, Cecilia, your Kualga Women's Development Association. You now bring unity, come back to people of Nebilyer.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, me progress forward for the next 50 years. Project is start, first project people are finding here, the former project,
World Bank na ifund been funding mi bla walking one bla road lo here. Kam lo wipe him. Sanbody staff here. Lo PPAP. Now road na bilang partnership to lo have. Now long sela area long Nebilyer Jimmy kata sela partnership ami lo PACD.
I'm Cecilia Kauga. I'm the lead partner of this PACD project, but I'm also the manager of this KWDA women's group. It's a women's group. I was working before somewhere with the Bank of South Pacific. I resigned, came back to the village, and I saw that there was a need to bring some changes into the village, the community. So we formed this little group, and then we worked for the last 4 years doing other farming things. And this is our major achievement with the PACD project here.
How many members do you have?
With the actual group association, we have 65 members. 45 of them are women and then 20 are men supporting us. And the PACD project, we have 200 farmers registered with us.
Okay, so tell us about the PACD assistance to your project.
PACD, they funded us with the 654,000, and we've built an office. It's on the other side of this place here.
Right.
It's where my residence is, with the 50,000, and then we did the nursery. It's worth of 30,000. We have all successfully distributed, and now people are still wanting to get seedlings to plant. So there's a big need here. We have done that, and now we've built this storage shed for the wet mill factory. So the main things that PACD wanted, we have done it already, and now we're into our trainings now to look after coffee and all that.
The name of this village here?
Kualga.
How do you spell it?
Kualga.
Kualga. So this is where the fighting.
Yeah, we were the like, what would you say?
The stars of Jolas neighbors.
Astrabole Mipla. So my grandfather is a chief here, and it was a very good man. But his sons, they instigated the fight, and they were fighting with the Kualgas.
How is this project going to help the community?
I see something big in here. The project with the factory here, there's dreams for us. I already see it, but the people will have to work to earn that. They will have to really look after them. Take coffee as something big, something good for them, and then we all grow together, building up our financial everything life here. It will really help the people.
What are your comments about the PACD project?
With today being a very successful day, I'm so happy. PACD, I hope they can come back and do what they can do to really complete what they're supposed to do with this kind of thing here. I'm really happy I got this funding here. I'm really happy today achieving something good, something sustainable for the village, something which I've been striving to bring in to change this community, and we've got it here. We've got it now. So.
And one last thing, as one of the male speakers was saying before you, this place was notorious for tribal fighting. So, but it's now come together because of coffee again. So, what's your comment on this?
It used to be that it's no longer, because I think coffee is bringing peace to us. And with the Kualga tribe, now they're already coming in and they really want to support me. They said, bring Nebilyer, bring whatever belongs to Nebilyer back to Nebilyer. All the surroundings. So, all of Nebilyer family, I think we are going to work together and we'll bring back Nebilyer as a good place to live in and, live our lives peacefully, financially okay with this coffee thing.
Okay. One last thing, just tell me a bit about yourself, your work and how old you are, and how you left your job and came back home.
Yeah, This is my place. This is my village. I was born here, raised here. I got married to Southern Islander Yalibu. And then we parted. I have 4 children. They're already big. I'm a grandmother. So I was working with the Bank of South Pacific, and then I resigned in 2016. When I came back, like I said, there's a need for change in the village. So that's how I sort of found this idea to mobilize these people, these old women with the green and purple uniform. They're all very old. Mobilize them together to bring some change, bring something different to this community so that we can all live in harmony. But I live here. This is where I was born, and I stay here. I want to do anything for my people here.